Is your team delaying in delivering your client's software? Deadlines not met? Is the code not efficient? Full of bugs? Poorly constructed? Or is your testing taking too long? Are you in need of an experienced DevOps engineer? Golang developer? Can't find a senior data analyst? Don't have the right software engineers? Don't fret. Plugin Africa is here. We have the right software engineers from Africa, packed with tons of experience. Whether you need them remotely or to relocate, it's all possible. Our professional team of engineers have the right experience, and most importantly, are excellent communicators. Experienced in different frameworks and technologies. Don't delay your projects due to lack of expertise. Contact us now. We will have the right software developer for you. Let us know what you need, and we will show you what we have. Plug in Africa. Coding your world.